If you want to create categories and subcategories, so for your WordPress WooCommerce product, so your product is product type is a post type. So normally our post has a categories. So after installing WooCommerce, we have a categories and tags like similar to your post. So if you go to categories, so then you will see that I have a list of categories, and these are categories, parent category, and these are subcategories. So what is parent category and subcategory? So this parent category is has only a single category, and now these are subcategories, and the subcategories can, if we select from a post like go to our all products, then we will see our list of products and click on edit. So if we edit a product, we will see that we can select categories there. Okay, these are parent categories, so you can select, and these are subcategories. So when we select these parents categories, so these are parent categories, and we can select this product is a skincare product, and this product is also a cleanser, and this product also a sunscreen. So that's how your category and subcategories are divided. So if you want to create subcategories like this, just name your subcategory and your slug, and select your parent. If you want to select your subcategories as your parent, so then you can select cleanser. So if we name something a new category as a subcategory, then the category will be under the cleanser, like so. uh, Give me a test. So like this, I will input a product name like, okay, let's say puff is. So they will automatically generate a slug for us, and let's say it's parent category, and just add our category. Okay, now you will see that our cleanser, and under our cleanser it will use a double dash and add it as a subcategory. The subcategory of the cleanser, and the cleanser is a subcategory of the skincare. Okay, that's how you can use. So you can delete your products. So I am deleting my subcategories. So